Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Get ready to be exhilarated as I introduce an unparalleled hidden gem on Tradingview, a game-changing indicator that will completely reshape your trading results. Brace yourself to unleash the unexplored power of this revolutionary tool and skyrocket to unprecedented levels of success in all your trading pursuits. Now let's go screen top to the indicator's search tab and search for the remarkable twin range filter. This powerful tool is designed to identify potential trade opportunities using range filtering techniques, allowing it to generate highly accurate long and short signals. In this video, I'll demonstrate how this indicator can empower you to make informed trading decisions and unlock the path to consistent profitability. Let's dive in, and as always, before we delve into the strategy, let's begin by optimizing the settings for this incredible indicator. Let's go to the Settings tab to ensure we have the most optimal configuration for maximum performance. Let's begin by adjusting the first parameter known as the source. This crucial setting allows us to select the input data series for the indicator. Although there are multiple options available, including open, high, and low, for this particular strategy we'll harness the power of the closing price's close. This selection will provide us with the most accurate and reliable signals for our trading decisions. Moving on to the second parameter, we have the fast period. This setting determines the number of bars considered for calculating the fast average range. By default it is set to 27, but for our specific strategy we will fine-tune it to 25. This adjustment allows us to capture more precise and responsive signals aligning with our trading approach. Now let's focus on the third parameter known as fast range. This parameter allows us to apply a range multiplier to the fast average range, effectively scaling its value. By default, it is set to 1/6. However, to optimize the accuracy of the indicator for our specific strategy, we will adjust it to 1/5. This modification will help us fine-tune the signals and align them more precisely with our trading approach. Let's now turn our attention to the fourth parameter, which is the slow period. This setting determines the period for calculating the slow average range. It specifies the number of bars considered in this calculation. By default it is set to 55, but to further optimize the indicator for our strategy, we will adjust it to 50. This adjustment allows us to capture longer-term trends while maintaining a balanced responsiveness to market conditions. Finally, let's discuss the last parameter, the slow range. This parameter determines the range multiplier applied to the slow average range, scaling its value. The default setting is 2, and for the purpose of our strategy, we will keep it unchanged. This default value has been carefully designed to provide a balanced and reliable indication of market trends without requiring any modifications. Now that we have our optimal settings configured, let's click OK and proceed to the chart. Take a look at the screen where you can witness the impressive accuracy of this indicator as it generates highly reliable signals. By leveraging these signals, we can craft our trades, keeping in mind a favorable risk-reward ratio such as 1/5. This ratio ensures a balanced approach to our risk management, allowing us to maximize our potential profits while minimizing potential losses. However, to fully capitalize on our trend-following strategy, it's essential to equip ourselves with the right tools to accurately identify the current trend. That's where another remarkable indicator comes into play. Let's return to the Indicators tab and search for the incredible tool called Trend Detection. This indicator is designed to elevate your trading to new heights by providing precise trend identification capabilities. Its insightful signals will guide you in aligning your trades with the prevailing market direction. Get ready to witness the power of trend analysis in action. To optimize the performance of this indicator, we'll need to make some adjustments to the settings as well. Head over to the Settings tab and locate the length parameter under the Input section. This parameter determines the number of bars used for the calculation representing the length of the channel. By default, it is set to 100, but to align it with our strategy, we will decrease it to 95. This adjustment will enhance the indicator's responsiveness to the current market conditions and improve its ability to identify accurate trend signals. Let's make this modification and witness the power of precise trend analysis in action. Next, we have the source parameter. This parameter enables you to select the input data series for the indicator. By default, it is set to the closing price close, which is commonly used. However, you also have the flexibility to choose other options, such as open, high, or low. For our strategy, we will stick with the closing prices as they provide a reliable representation of market trends and help us make informed trading decisions. Let's continue with the closing prices as our chosen data source for the indicator. Now let's navigate to the style section. Since we will be utilizing this indicator to identify short-term trends, we want to optimize the visual presentation, uncheck all the options except for average. This will ensure that only the average trend line is displayed on the chart, eliminating any unnecessary distractions. Additionally, let's enhance the visibility of the trend lines by increasing the opacity of both colors to 100%. Furthermore, we will make the lines slightly bolder, enabling us to clearly discern the trend direction. These adjustments will make it easier for us to identify and act upon the trend signals provided by the indicator. This powerful indicator acts as a shield against false signals, significantly enhancing the accuracy of our strategy. By aligning our trades exclusively with the prevailing trend, we can greatly improve our chances of success. Let's dive deeper into the mechanics of this approach. If the G trend indicator indicates a bearish trend, we will exclusively consider sell positions. Conversely, if the indicator suggests a bullish trend, we will focus solely on buy positions. This strict adherence to the trend direction serves as a filter, allowing us to avoid counter-trend trades and increase the probability of profitable outcomes. Let's harness the power of trend alignment to elevate our trading to new heights. To further enhance our trading decisions, we will incorporate an additional indicator that provides valuable insights into the long-term trend. Return to the Indicators tab and search for Market Bias. This indicator will offer us a comprehensive view of the market conditions, ensuring that our trades are aligned with the prevailing long-term trend. Its inclusion will bolster our strategy and empower us to make more informed and profitable trading choices. Let's proceed and add this remarkable indicator to our chart. The Market Bias indicator unveils a hidden treasure trove of market insights. By analyzing volume data, it provides us with a comprehensive view of the market bias, helping us gauge the dominant sentiment in the market by evaluating volume patterns and their relationship with price movements. This indicator reveals the underlying strength and conviction of market participants. It empowers us to identify whether the market is bullish, bearish, or neutral, allowing us to align our trades with the prevailing sentiment. Armed with this knowledge, we can make more confident and profitable trading decisions. The Market Bias indicator is a game changer, enabling us to navigate the markets with precision and stay one step ahead of the crowd. Once you have added the Market Bias indicator to your chart, we need to fine-tune the settings to ensure optimal accuracy in identifying the long-term trend. Let's proceed to the settings of this remarkable indicator. Under the input settings of the Market Bias indicator, we will adjust the period to 200. This period value will provide us with a broader view of the long-term trend, ensuring that we capture significant market movements. We will keep the smoothing and oscillator periods at their default settings, as they have been carefully calibrated to deliver the most accurate results. With these optimized settings, we are equipped with a powerful tool to identify and align ourselves with the prevailing long-term trend. Let's proceed with these settings and unleash the full potential of the Market Bias indicator. Now, let's bring all the rules together and form a comprehensive trading strategy. When we receive a long signal from the Twin Range Filter indicator, our first step is to check the G trend indicator to confirm the current short-term market trend. If the trend line of the trend indicator is green, it signifies a strong bullish momentum, providing us with the initial confirmation to enter a long position. However, we don't stop there. To ensure we align with the overall market direction, we analyze the Market Bias indicator to assess the long-term trend. If the Market Bias indicator also shows a green signal, it further strengthens our conviction for the long position. By combining these multiple confirmations, we enhance our trading strategy's accuracy and increase our chances of success. Remember, it's crucial to follow all these confluences to maximize our profits and minimize the risk to take short positions. The rules remain consistent, but in the opposite direction. Once we receive a short signal from the Taiwan range filter indicator, we must ensure its validity by confirming bearish momentum through the G-trend and market bias indicators. We turn to the G-trend indicator to examine the trend line. If it shows a bearish trend indicated by a red line, it confirms the presence of bearish momentum. This serves as our initial confirmation for a potential short position. But we don't stop there. We also consult the market bias indicator to validate our short trade. If it displays a bearish signal aligning with the short-term market trend, it adds another layer of confirmation for our bearish position. By incorporating these multiple indicators and following our predefined rules, we establish a robust framework for our trading decisions. It allows us to harness the power of trend analysis and market bias, enhancing our ability to identify profitable short positions. And with that, we conclude our video. Fellow traders, I have full confidence that the content provided has proven to be immensely valuable and enlightening. May this knowledge propel you towards success and guide you towards making informed decisions in your trading journey. See you soon. Thanks for watching our video.